Key components like compressors, condensers, evaporators, and refrigerants are assembled to create efficient systems. Factors such as market trends and weather patterns significantly influence production cycles, ensuring supply meets demand efficiently. The advantages of air conditioning extend beyond comfort. They include improved air quality, reduced allergens, enhanced work performance, and preservation of equipment and furniture from heat damage. This part of the video emphasizes the broader benefits of air conditioning systems. Emerging technologies focus on enhancing energy efficiency and reducing environmental impact. Innovations such as smart thermostats and eco-friendly refrigerants are paving the way for more sustainable solutions. In conclusion, as we continue to face climate challenges, air conditioning will play a pivotal role in adapting our environments. This final thought underscores the ongoing importance of air conditioning systems in improving living and working conditions globally.